Hi guys, this is my newest creations. Flowers made out of tissue paper, and I actually put it on. This is a old saran wrap thing. I ran out of tissue paper, and I actually soaked it into some acrylic paint to change the color of the coffee filters. So what I like to do before I try to do a project live, guys, I like to see first if I'm able to achieve it, and then I stuff the top. So now that I was able to achieve it, and this one I dipped a little bit more gold. Next time you guys see it, I'm going to do it live. I think it turned out very pretty. Very pretty. I was trying to use, I think it turned out very pretty. So the next time I do this project, I'm going to do it live for you guys. I'm going to go and pick up some more coffee filters. I watched the videos last night on YouTube, and it came out amazing. My phone doesn't have a lot of memory because I actually gave my computer to my nephew since I stopped doing the wigs. And this one I put a lot more gold on. But I will do a video for you guys showing you guys how to make flowers out of coffee filters. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye bye.